Welcome to My Online Tips channel. This channel is dedicated for those are serious about setting up a successful business online. We publish quality video content every day. So please subscribe to our channel. Let's see today's video.
Hello and welcome to video number 8. Now let's take up all the information that we have taught you about engagement. And now the step is, okay, so they really like you and they want to know more about you. So in this step, you're going to learn how to get them from engaged visitors to turn into subscribers. And that way you can get them onto your email list and build a relationship with them. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about that. Now, before we talk about WordPress plugins and what you should use, I would highly recommend you figure out what email autoresponder system you're going to use. Now, if you already have an email autoresponder system, great. The most popular ones are getresponse.com, and then we have aweber.com, and we have convertkit.com. Now, there are many others, but these are the ones that we highly recommend. So once you figured out what email autoresponder service that you use, then you can look into WordPress plugins, because bear in mind that not all WordPress plugins integrate into certain autoresponder systems. So once you found a compatible one, then it's good to go. Now, in terms of how you can get them onto your email list, if you followed through the video course, up until now, your audience has engaged with you long enough to the point that they will want to know you more. So what you could do is a number of things. You could either offer a lead magnet in exchange for their email address, which is the most common thing to do, or you can create quizzes. Now, we briefly talked about quizzes in the previous video, but we're going to talk about it a little bit more in depth. The reason why quizzes work so well is because, especially if you create like a personality quiz or a really fun quiz, or if you go on Facebook, for example, and I'm sure you've seen these types of quizzes, but if you go on Facebook, you may have seen things like find out who you are kind of thing. So if you can think of something related to that, where you can create something fun on your site, that's actually a really good way to get people to interact and sign up on your email list. So if you do that, there's a plugin that we actually recommend. It's called Interact, and you have to go to tryinteract.com. It says you can make quizzes to generate leads for your business. What's nice is you can create these picture quizzes. All right. So one thing that we found over the years and tested was that quizzes, generally you want to stick with image quizzes because a lot of people are visually stimulated out there. But at the same time, you could use like textual quizzes if you want to, but you want to make it fun, and fun usually points to visual. So this is why we recommend Interact. They have a lot of other features inside of it. But if you go to Interact integrations and you scroll down, you can see that it's already integrated with ConvertKit. Entreport's good as well. ActiveCampaign's good. And if we scroll down, we can see Aweber and GetResponse. And they're integrated with a ton of other email marketing systems and analytics, Facebook ads, and more. All right. So you want to see that. If you go to a WordPress plugin, you find out that it doesn't integrate into your email autoresponder system, you wouldn't know that if you didn't know what email autoresponder that you use. So for those of you who already know what it is, great. If for those of you who don't know, you just need to pick one. Now, in my opinion, ConvertKit is actually really, really good because if we were to look at all three of these, I wouldn't go with Aweber Ahrefs is okay, but I would go with ConvertKit because you can do a lot more with ConvertKit. You can integrate it with a lot of other third-party systems. You can do a lot of automation. You can have rules, tags, and a lot more. And it's actually very easy to set up with ConvertKit. All right. Now, if you do use Interact, you're going to need to have the WordPress plugin, which is free. If you go to wordpress.org/plugins/interact-quiz-embed, you'll find the Interact Quiz WordPress plugin. So you'll need to install this, and then what will happen is you'll need to connect it to your account here, and then you can create the quizzes and then populate it and put it on your WordPress site. All right. So like I said, you can choose any other quiz builders, but that's what we recommend is to get them from fun to email list. Now you could offer a lead magnet, like I said earlier. If you do that, you'll want to use something like a lead page generator. In this case, we would recommend something like ClickFunnels. And this here is ClickFunnels. It's clickfunnels.com. And we like ClickFunnels because it's super easy to create opt-in pages and integrate it into your WordPress site. And it also integrates into a lot of email autoresponder systems like the ones that I just showed you. So this is a tool that you can use. You don't have to, but that's an option if you use a lead magnet, which is a freebie. So it could be a free report, free video, free audio, or something intangible or a media form that you can give someone.
Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, please like, share, and post your valuable comments. Thank you all.